All right, we're standing outside my 1913 farmhouse we're working on, getting the outside cleaned up. And we have another crew on the inside working on stuff. And then we'll have the barn as well. There, everybody can see Nikki. She'll be annoyed. This is interesting. Our porch is super low. You can see it. It's basically a 2x4 for support on dirt with no footer. So we're gonna have to redo most of that. You can see it's all coming apart. It's kind of noisy out here. All right, in here, obviously flooring, paint. We added a closet for that bedroom because it did not have one. So that's there. We have a before video as well that shows what this looked like when we first bought it and updates. So I'm not gonna go too slow through all this. The kitchen and bath require the most work. This tub is kind of cool, but it's super dirty and not in very good shape. So I don't think we're gonna use it again. And see, it's gutted. There was no hardy backer board or anything behind it. It was just basically nothing. So we added that. We'll add, obviously, the toilet and vanity. And for everybody who's wondering what we're doing in the kitchen, we are keeping all the uppers. So those are the cool built-in uppers. And we're gonna redo the lowers. So it's gonna be tight, but we're gonna be able to get a small dishwasher, a small sink base, a Lazy Susan, a 12-inch drawer, and then the stove right here. So there won't be hardly any base cabinets, but there's lots of uppers. And we have the pantry, which we're keeping. So we'll have all this storage. And it's kind of cool. This does go through the other side, but they're all painted shut. So we'll see if we can open those up. And they go right to there. So we'll keep all those built-ins. Upstairs, I don't think, oh, they did add, let's see what they added. Because there was no railing, are they putting sheetrock up? Oh, that handle is not attached to the wall. Okay, so that works. That was all open before, so they'll finish that off so it's actually safe to be up here. And then now I gotta try not to fall on the drill coming down the stairs. All right, all the numbers and stuff. What did we buy this for? $262. Should be worth about $400 once we're done. I talked about all those in the first videos. And out here is just your laundry. And then we're gonna spend at least $50,000 on repairs probably. A lot of that is just yard cleanup and barn cleanup. I'll show you the barn too, where Terrance the Rooster used to live. And also on those costs, we'll have another, probably at least $25,000 in selling, carrying, and financing costs. This barn is so cool. There was a rooster in it, you'll see in my first videos. We call him Terrance. Terrance is gone. Terrance met his match. So, no, he didn't die. He didn't get eaten. However, Nikki's husband's parents wanted him. So they kind of live out in the country. They have other chickens. So they came and got Terrance, and they're actually helping with the skid steer, cleaning up the mountains of poop that were in this barn. There's literally like 2 feet of horse poop right there. So it was much worse before. So they came and got Terrance. We did feed him, we did water him. And they brought him back to their kind of farm. And so apparently, Terrance isn't as tough as he thought he was, because their geese, and one goose in particular, has just been giving him a hard time. So he doesn't even hang out with most of the animals. He kind of hides and runs away from the goose. So we're also gonna kind of cut this out more and then build a ladder right here to get up to the ceiling of the cool barn. All right, so that's the update on this property. We're working on it quick as we can, which is never as quick as you want, but that's part of the business. Hopefully, we'll be done here in a month, 6 weeks, we'll see. But trying to get everybody together, get everything done quickly, since this is kind of a high dollar flip we're working on. Have 17 flips total right now. Trying to reduce that number, get some sold, and move on to the next ones. I think that's kind of our threshold and really pushes our capacity at 17, especially since we stopped using a couple contractors this year. So it's been a little tougher lately than it normally has been to get things done. All right, of course, check out investformore.com. We've got more information on all our flips. Amazon.com has my 7 books I've written on flipping, agents, rentals, my novel about Mo, so all that good stuff there. And we always appreciate the comments, thumbs up, and subscribers. So thanks for watching. We'll have more videos coming up soon.